Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to allow people to see the Fans tab on your Facebook page using the latest update on desktop. If you've been trying to make your page more visible or simply want others to see who follows you, this setting is exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your PC using your preferred browser. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages the page you want to update. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, click on Settings and Privacy. A new menu will appear. Go ahead and select Settings to access your account and page controls. Now that you're inside the settings area, look toward the left-hand side and find the section labeled Page and Tagging. Click on it to open more options related to your page visibility and interactions. Scroll down until you see the option that says Who can see the Fans tab on your page? This is the key setting that controls whether people can view your followers publicly. Click on this option and you'll be given a few choices. To make your Fans tab visible to everyone, select Everyone. This ensures that anyone visiting your page can see your followers. After selecting Everyone, don't forget to click the Save button to apply the changes. Without saving, the update won't take effect. And that's it. Your Fans tab is now visible to the public, helping boost transparency and potentially increasing trust and engagement on your page. If this helped you, consider checking your other page settings as well, since Facebook updates can sometimes reset or move things around.